Welcome, dear students. Today we discuss about the question paper of probability and statistics, semester 5 CBCS, B.Sc Honors in Mathematics, 2023, paper CC11, question number 2. Question paper 2023, question number 2, Unit 1. From an urn containing 3 white and 5 black balls, 4 balls are transferred into an empty urn. From the second urn, 2 balls are drawn and they happen to be white. What is the probability that the third ball drawn from the same urn will be white? Here, given that first urn contains 3 white balls and 5 black balls, total 8 balls there. 4 balls are transferred to the second urn. Let Hi represent the event that the I white balls and 4 minus I black balls were transferred into an empty urn, because 4 balls are transferred into an empty urn. Total number of 4 balls. So if I number white balls, then obviously 4 minus I black balls were transferred into an empty urn from the first urn. Since we eventually draw at least 2 white balls from the second urn, here this from the second urn 2 balls are drawn and they happen to be white. So at least 2 white balls drawn from the second urn. We only considered the cases here I greater than equal to 2. So either H2 or H3. When H2, so 2 white balls and 2 black balls. For H3 event, 3 white balls and 1 black balls. So obviously, probability of H2 event, that is 2 white ball and 2 black balls. So this is the 3 white balls. From 3 white balls, we get 2 white balls. So 3C2, combination 3C2 into 5 black balls. We get 2 black balls. From 5 black balls, we have drawn 2 black balls. So 5C2 whole divided by total number of balls 8. So total balls drawn 4. So 8C4. So after simplification, we get 3 white balls and 5, that is 3C2 into 5C2 whole divided by 8C4. This is the probability of the event, probability of event 2 white balls from the first turn. So this equals to factorial 3 by factorial 2 into factorial 3 minus 2 into factorial 5 by factorial 2 into factorial 5 minus 2 whole divided by factorial 8 by factorial 4 into factorial 8 minus 4. And after simplification, you get, and this is the 3 into 10 divided by 70 equal to, after simplification, 3 by 7. Similarly, for the probability of H3, that is the 3 white balls, from 3 white balls, 3C3 into 5 black balls, so 5C, 1 black balls drawn from the 5 black balls, so divided by 8C4. After simplification, we get factorial 3c3, that is 1, into 5c1, that is 5, whole divided by 8c4. 8c4 factorial 8 by factorial 4 into factorial 4. After simplification, you get 1 by 14. Next, let A be the event that first two white balls drawn from the second urn are white. So for the event H2, when two white balls and two black balls drawn from the first turn, then the conditional probability PA by H2, because this H2 happens before. After that, A event happens. So A events means first two balls drawn from the second turn. So this is the probability, conditional probability A when H2 happen. So H2 happen means from the first turn, from the first turn, there are three white balls and five black balls. From the first turn, we drawn two white balls and two black balls. This is the second turn. This is second turn. So when event H2 happen. Next, A is the event from the first two balls drawn from white. So probability of this, there are two white balls from the second and two white balls drawn from the second turn. So here this is the event A when we drawn two white balls. This is from the event A. So H2 PA by H2 means this two, from these two white balls we draw two white balls into, from two black balls we draw zero black balls divided by total number of balls here second turn 4, 4c 2. After simplification we get this is 1 by 6, 1 by 6 probability A by H2. Next, for the event H3, similarly, uh, when H3, event H3, conditional probability of A, probability of A by H3. So from the first turn, there are first, from the first turn, three white ball and five black balls from the first turn, and we draw by the event H3, H3 to the second turn, this these three white balls and one black balls. And then event A means the two white balls drawn. So probability of A by H3, this is the 3C2, 3C2, because there are three white balls. We draw two white balls, 3C2 into, from one black balls, we draw 0 black balls divided by 4C2. After simplification, we get this 1 by 2. The total probability PA is the event. Then from the second turn, we drawn two white balls. This is the probability of A equal to probability of H2 into probability of A by H2 plus probability of H3 into probability A by H3. And putting the values of PH2, A by H2, we get 3 by 28 probability of A. Let B be the event that third ball drawn is white. The third ball drawn is white. So this is the event A. Event A is the two ball is white. Two ball is white. Next event, after two ball, from the second turn, we drawn one white ball. One white ball. This event is, say, B, event B. This B event can be happened by uh, two cases, with replacement or without replacement. let the two white balls be replaced before the second drawing. So this probability of A by AH2, H2 A and A event A and H2 simultaneously happened, then event B happened. B event means one white ball runs. So in this case, there are two white balls in the second turn, two white balls. From these two white balls, we drawn one white balls, and from two black balls, we drawn zero black balls. So 2C1 into 2C0 whole divided by 4 total number of balls 4 C1 1 white balls. So this is equal to 1 by 2. And when the H3 event happened, so probability of B by AH3, this equals to AH3 means the three white balls drawn from the first turn and one black balls. So there are three white balls. From three white balls, we drawn one white balls and one black balls, zero black balls drawn. So this is equal to 3 by 4. Then the probability of A and B. This means probability of A and B means the simultaneous occurrence of the event A and B. Event A means two white ball runs from the second turn, and event B means one white ball run from the second turn. So this equals to probability of H2 into probability of A by H2 into probability of B by AH2 plus probability of H3, probability of AH3 into probability of B by AH3, and putting all these probabilities from the before results, we get 1 by 16. Hence, from 1, this is the result conditional probability PB by A equal to PAB by PA, and putting this PAB by PA, this is equal to 7 by 12, and this is the required probability for the case with replacement, when we replaced two white balls replaced in the second arm. Next, case 2, without replacement. Let two white balls are not replaced before the second drawing. Then the event AB means first three balls drawn are white. So first three balls drawn are white, and this can be happen under the event H3 only. So for the event H3 means three white balls and one black balls drawn from the first turn. So PAB by H3, this is the total number of balls, these three white balls, and drawn from these three white balls, we draw three white balls, and from one black balls, we draw zero black balls, and divided by 4C3, this is equal to 1 by 4. So probability AB, this is equal to probability of H3 into probability of AB by H3. So we get 1 by 56, and from 1 we get from this result we get probability of B by A equal to 1 by 6. Thank you for watching.